Stay tuned, you are going to see how a real manifesto launch and how a real manifesto look. Stay locked in with the Jamaica Labour Party. It would be remiss of me if I don't say good evening to all Jamaicans, all the hardworking people who are watching us here. Good evening to every security guard, Quest, and all the security guards. Good evening. Big up to all of the St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Cabby them. Thank you for everyone who is making this possible. And when we talk about the JLP third term, it's not we who are giving ourselves a third term. We have put in the work. And what we ask from Jamaica is the vote of confidence. The third term is for the people of Jamaica. And I know that everybody gathered here this evening, you're happy that you're a Labourite. You didn't have to be a Labourite. Labour Party all the way.
Jamaica, nobody fuss no, nobody fight. You didn't have to be a Labourite. No, shaky boat because a woman will like. You didn't have to be a Labourite.
And the party that can boast that we have the youngest mayor, a party that believes in young people. We invite at this time to bring greetings His Worship, the Mayor of Montego Bay, Councillor Richard Vernon.
When me do road, me have to wear the good thing them, the good clothes and the good shoes them, good chain and the good ring them. Me shopping at the mall and the good food them. My car when me drive and the good car them.
Thank you very much. Madam Chair, Deputy Leader, officers of the Jamaica Labour Party, my colleagues on the platform, Labourites, welcome to the historic Sam Sharp Square. Are you ready? Are you ready? 10 days away from victory, 10 days away from securing the future of Jamaica. Are you ready to choose Jamaica? Several years ago, a former Prime Minister from the PNP told us that we would suck salt through a wooden spoon. He didn't offer solutions. He offered suffering. But here in St. James, we didn't accept that fate. We did not look to the PNP. And since that time, we have not looked back. And now that we are developing, now that we are thriving, now that we are transforming, why would we look back to the party of doom? We will not go back. This is the most important election in the history of our country. Because where we are coming from, where we are now, and where we must go, depends on the choice we make in 10 days. Under the Jamaica Labour Party, we have transformed Montego Bay. Harmony Beach Park is now a world-class recreational space. 14 police stations have been upgraded, some brand new. Health centers across the parish have been modernized, some brand new. We have built the largest fire station in Jamaica's history and provided an infirmary right here in St. James to protect our most vulnerable. We did not dump the people. We uplifted them. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road is underway. Sangster's International Airport is expanding. Roads, drains, infrastructure across the city are being upgraded. This is what real development looks like.
Yes,
we are not going back.
Yes, so prosperity start.
Labor rights. Unemployment is at an historic low. Youth employment is rising. We created thousands of jobs through Hope, Lift, and the Youth Summer Employment Program. We have expanded access to overseas work program, agricultural work program, hospitality work program. People feel safer. Major crimes are down. Murders are down. Poverty is down. We are not going back. On the matter of cost of living, a guy from down Westmoreland claimed that under the PNP, a patty costs $200, and under the JLP, the same patty costs $300. But I must remind him and his entourage of Looney Tunes that under the PNP, minimum wage was $6,000. That means the average Jamaican could only afford 30 patties. Today, minimum wage is $16,000. Therefore, under the Jamaica Labour Party, that same Jamaican can afford 53 patties. Cost of living is better under the Jamaica Labour Party. So Jamaicans, ask yourselves, do you prefer 30 patties or 53? Do you prefer government that froze wage for ages or one that increased salaries, promised 1.5 and delivered 1.8, and for 9 straight years, no new taxes? And now, the PNP says that they will discontinue the JLP programs if they form government. That means no more path expansion, no more housing upgrades, no more rural school buses, no more massive road development, no more youth empowerment. It means more taxes on the backs of the Jamaican people to fund their unrealistic promises. It means reversing the gains that we have made in employment and crime management. Even the Caribbean is looking to Jamaica for answers. We cannot trust the PNP with the management of our beloved country. Jamaica cannot afford to go backward. The JLP is the party of the youth. We believe in youth talent. We believe in youth innovation. We believe in youth leadership. That is why we have invested in Heart NSTA Trust, free up to level 4. We have invested in coding academics, scholarships, skills training and entrepreneurship. We don't just talk about youth. This is the party that builds youth. The Jamaica Labour Party is building a Jamaica where every elder can retire without fear. Every man and every woman can achieve happiness, and every youth can dream. So on September 3, 10 days from now, if your name is not on the voters list, if your name is on the voters list, but you do not have an ID, you still can vote. Vote early. Vote for performance. Vote for a government that cares. Choose Andrew Michael Holness. Choose the Jamaica Labour Party. choose Jamaica and send the PNP marching into the political wilderness. Show our labor rights. God bless you.
Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means.
Labor rights. We all watched the debate last night. What a way Team JLP going good. And I want to congratulate the champion, Team JLP. And good evening to all the wonderful members of the team.